G'day guys, it's Mike and welcome to the channel. Bit of an update, a little bit happy. Okay, so this has been a nightmare to work out, but I've worked it out. Now, trying to explain, we're running power here through a fusible link to the relay, 5-pin relay. We are running ignition to here, and then there's pin 87 and 87A down to the headlight, and I'll explain that later. But watch what happens. Everything is off at the moment. Everything is off, and we turn on park lights only, nothing else. So the back park lights are working, and we sojourn to the front of the vehicle, and we have the daylight runner as a park light with the ignition off. Now comes the cool bit. We reach inside, 1 click, 2 click, ignition is on, come back to the front of the car, and we have 100%. Now the next cool bit is when we turn the park lights on. Oops, hang on. I had the lights on. Gooseberry. Okay, that's 100%. Park lights are off, ignition is on, and then we go in. Park lights are on, 50%. We turn main headlights on, headlight works 50%, and then high beam, fog lights, all the lights on. So we've got high beam, fog lights, backwards and forwards, I know, left indicator, and we got the indicator working. Now if I turn that off, turn the lights off, so we're just driving around, we're back to 100%. That is how it come out of the factory in the later model cars, and after a lot of bloody head scratching and messing around, it works. So now take it back inside, tidy up all the wiring, and start putting the headlights back together. Bit of a mission, so another day and it should be working perfectly. I'm absolutely blown away, because the other way of doing it, you have no park lights, and should I ever have to have a rego inspection, sorry, look at me, should I ever have a rego inspection and the park lights don't work, it will fail. So the park lights have to work. So now they work as they would in the factory. So just go back here, turn the ignition off. So the ignition is off, the lights are off, it just works. That's awesome. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else I can do at the moment. Sorry about this, a lot of videos are a bit scratchy, they're a bit out of sync and all this sort of crap, but I think we've finally got this working. So I will have a 2010 ISF with 2013 headlights that act exactly the same as they would in the 2013 model, exactly. Where the other way you miss out on park lights, standalone park lights. You have to have standalone park lights. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll update as I progress if it ever stops raining. And my camera's getting wet, so I've got to just shut that down. Okay, thanks guys, have a great day.